What's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to make a quick little intro for you. Basically, I am not talking in this video like whatsoever. So if you guys just want something to play in the background or a video to watch to be relaxed to, this is definitely the vibe that I went for. I wanted to do a different kind of studio vlog. In this vlog, I will say that I don't have too much work that I got up to, but I do definitely show like some sticker printing, art printing, drawing, and of course tons of recipes. I wanted to just take you along with me, kind of the process and what I've been going through. Again, this is a video from like 2 weeks ago because I haven't been able to edit videos on my work computer. But again, thanks to my supporters, my mommy, and my last paycheck, I was able to buy my new MacBook Pro and get all of my software back, so I'm officially back to work. So I'm going to catch you guys up. We have 2 studio vlogs to get you through, and then we're going to get to the most recent vlog where I'm really getting down to the nitty-gritty. So make sure you guys get through this one, get through the 3rd vlog, and then on the 4th vlog you will see me get all the stuff ready for the art business that I'm opening up. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe so you can stay up to date with everything in regards to the art shop, my recipes, and just like me that Jeremy in general. But I'm going to shut up here. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will see you guys very soon. Take care. Los quiero mucho. And I hope you guys take something beautiful away from this video. Love you. Bye. They don't want it to. This tempeh smells like booty.
Baby, hug up. Hey, pretty girl. Honey?
What would we gonna do? We're your close, Princess Bailey. Those are my own clothes. Oh, but here are my new clothes. You can make. I feel you there. Last week, my ex-husband was trying to tell me.
How about you right now, Bob?
But there's great things about change too. This literally cracks me up. Look at that. There's always them trying to get away from my mom and dad here throughout all aspects of my life. But there is a message to that.
Happy birthday to you. Yay! 49
We go to Best Buy when tiene chance en trombone.
That's so interesting.
Hola, la comida de Jeremy family. Yo soy Hazel.
Please. I haven't set up the new computer, but it's a lot.
It's the Mask Up campaign.
Oh, let me see. I'm ready. Oh, okay.
Why are you so sassy though?
Please.
Work. Hey, you should have thrown a twerk in there.
Oh. Pay for it, but
You
Okay, bye. That's awful.
Is it a sticker?
No, it's gonna be Prince. That does. Maybe a little bit bigger.
You're such an artist. You know what? Well, what if I want to season it? You know how you marinate foods and stuff? What if I want to do that with tofu? Does it have to be like overnight and stuff?
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. He'll be back. Don't you worry.
Right. But you do not know yourself, so put it away. So if there's ever an emergency, we're okay. You know?
Why do they make these things so complicated to open?